Maine DOT will be doing a routine safety check of the Piscataqua River Bridge that carries I-95 from Kittery to Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Officials say drivers should plan for shoulder closures on both sides of the interstate. They say the inspection will happen over the next 2 weeks and that crews will be inspecting the bridge between tomorrow and Thursday. They will continue their inspection the following Monday, May 18th, and will finish their work on Thursday, May 21st. DOT officials say the closures will be in effect between 8:30 a.m. and 4 p.m.